Hey guys, I am back with the Dip Powder Mani. So, this is August 2022, Sparkling Co's August 2022 sub bag. I don't know what I was trying to say. And the theme was Rustic Farmhouse. And so I paid $29.99 a month for the dip powder subscription. Typically comes with 3 or 4 dip powders, some type of liquid, and sometimes if it comes with 3 dip powders, sometimes it will come with something special. And so we have some cutouts here. It says farmhouse, really cute. They're always appropriate for the theme. A little pot there and a little plant. And so this is just a sticker now. That sticker, I was like, what? Okay, whatever. And so just getting the information card here. They do have a referral program, and I don't know why I never mentioned the referral program, but if you sign up and use my name in your in the credits, then I will get a credit and you will get a credit also. And that name is Letitia. Great, that's my government name, and I'll put that up on the screen in just a second here. And so it came with, I want to say this was pH prep, which I have builder gel on my nails, so I typically don't use pH prep unless I'm doing my daughter's nails. I will apply that to dehydrate the nail after doing additional preparation. You apply that to dehydrate the nail before you go in with your dip powder application. And so I'm just unpackaging the 3 dip colors. I thought they were really pretty, really appropriate for September, even though this was August bag. I did this mani a few days ago. And so we have 3 colors here. We have a nice teal that does have some foil flakes in there. We have initially I thought this was lavender, but this is more gray to me. I think this is gray. When I asked my husband in the sunlight, he's like, yeah, that's gray. And so it came with a mint color with some foil flakes, a gray solid color, and a glitter color as well. And so I decided to do a mani with the 2, with the solid gray and the glitter. And of course I applied 1 coat of my UNT Peel Off base coat. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. I forgot to add that this sub bag also came with, I guess this is a makeup bag or a cosmetic bag of some type. It's like a velvet bag. It has a it's very spacious. I have 1,000 cosmetic bags, and of course I will find something to use for this one as well, whether it's nail stuff or whatever the situation may be. But it comes with a zipper and 2 pockets there, so you know, I'm not mad at it at all. I forgot to mention that I am using Sparkling Co Low Odor Dip Base Liquid, and this is their regular activator. When you're using low odor or odorless dip liquids, they do have a slower drying time, and so when you're brushing off excess dip powder before you go in and apply a 2nd or 3rd coat, you want to make sure that you lightly brush that off using a nail brush. So guys, I've done my filing and buffing off camera, and I had these little chains that I got from Shein that I was going to put on the nail, but they just wouldn't act right. They wouldn't cooperate. So I went in and applied Daily Charmers 5-in-1 Strengthening Gel, and it did burn. It burned under the lamp, which I was surprised because I have builder gel and then I have dip powder on top of my builder gel. And then when I put this on and cured for 30 seconds, well, I placed some rhinestones. Let me say, I placed rhinestones. So I placed this 5-in-1 strengthening gel, and then I go in with some AB rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, and I'm applying that on that line just to kind of give some separation of the glitter and the clear, and then I will cure for 30 seconds. And it was relatively warm, placing my hand under the lamp, not to the point where it was just like ow, but it was warm. And so once I do that and cure, I'm going to go in and apply Daily Charms No Wipe Top Coat and cure for 30 seconds. So I applied some rhinestones to my thumbnail and my ring finger and cured, and then I'm going in and applying the top coat, and I will cure for 30 seconds. Now with my middle finger, I think I end up getting top coat on my rhinestones, which you want to avoid getting top coat on your rhinestones, because I tried to do, the tip of my nail and then get that part below the rhinestones, the rest of the nail, and then I think I did a pretty good job, but I do think I accidentally got some on the rhinestones because it will make them less shiny or have that less blingy appearance on the nail. And so after I cure, and I usually give a few minutes, I will go in and apply my favorite cuticle oil or whatever your preference is, and I will massage that in. So guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free and I would appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.